Hello, everyone. It is Sunday. Hey, hey, hey. I am so excited. Yeah, Sunday. A little cloudy today, but hey, I am sitting here in my office excited. I wanted to share something with you. Have you ever had that feeling that you just were wanting to like just shout from the rooftops? You're bursting at the seams with excitement. And for any of you that have been following, you know that for the last, oh gosh, since COVID, one of the things that I was completely aware of is that everyone has been spending more and more time in their home, in their space. And if it's not their space, it's somebody else's space. And the one thing that started to resonate and really speak to me is I have over the years done classes that have been for 1 2 day classes and intensive classes with creating conscious spaces. And there's many classes that I've been doing online and fabulous, lots of fun. But there was also this other underlying energy of people really reaching out and saying, I'm dumbfounded, I'm shocked, I'm feeling a little bit lost, don't know what to do. How do I pivot? How do I restructure? How do I continue with my business if I feel like the rug's being pulled out from under me? And you're not alone by any means. And for the very first time in history that we are socially able to connect through the internet, we have this worldwide pandemic. And so in that, there's always a silver lining. I really wanted to create a course that was going to address what you can create from your home. So how can you create more money from your home office and still have fun, still be connected, still uh, do what you love to do, and literally shift and change things. And oh my goodness, it's like I feel like a little kid in a candy shop. So literally in less than 2 hours, this course is being launched. And if you haven't yet registered, I would love for whoever may be struggling, who may be feeling lost, who might be, wow, requiring some direction. It's going to be fun. It's once a week there will be a interactive live with me in our private Facebook group, and and we're going to go through this journey and see, what we can create with you. My target is to really support everyone out there to succeed, expand, grow their business, grow their reach, and not lose the momentum that you started with at the beginning of 2020. In fact, let's see everyone wrap up 2020 in a much better and more vibrant energy than you could have ever imagined. And it's beyond, beyond, beyond. So I'm excited. So whoever's wanting to jump in, you can definitely go to my link below. I will make sure I post it there, and reach out. You can send me a private message. It's ready. It's ready to go. 2 hour countdown or less. Okay. Sending you guys all big hugs to you and your space. And I'm excited for everyone out there. Let's see everyone end 2020 better than you could have ever imagined. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.